Crew Karma. So, what is Crew Karma? Crew Karma is a global network of creative professionals who work together, collaborate to build teams, and showcase their amazing work to the world's creative fraternity. Crew Karma is home to everyone from the creative industry. If you are a graphic designer, a stylist, a photographer, an advertiser, a model, a fashion designer, or an animator, and have a story to tell, join Crew Karma. All you need to do is to build your portfolio and share your story. You can then engage with the who is who of your industry, find experts for career guidance, generate new business leads, be up to date from tools to skills and news to views, build your team, and work together on live projects. At the same time, use us as your PR channel and position yourself as subject matter expert. Attract potential employers and get recognized and rewarded by brands, organizations, and celebrities. But wait, there is more. At Crew Karma, we believe that creativity is a reflection of our society and should innovate endlessly. And to reward innovation, we create a hand-picked list called the Spotlight, which features the best creatives in your industry. So you just do what you do best. Challenge yourself. Create awesome things. Share new ideas. Leave the rest to us. We will guarantee providing you the right exposure, help you build a solid reputation, and in turn, get various work opportunities. Our mission is to connect the creative industry as a single fraternity that is dedicated to your growth. We are Crew Karma. Join us in this journey and be a truly global professional.